guys, you're gonna discover a property with one of the most exclusive view of London, and I'm going to present you the pictures, the videos, couple of plot and units, so you will be able to see how the projects looks like. And then I'm going to present you as well the project and the development. It will be amazing because the quality of the view that you can get for a higher level apartment is just incredible. You have some of the best view of London. You can see literally all the principal element of the city. You have an exclusive view of London Bridge, of London Eyes, of Canary Wharf, and I'm going to present this to you. So it all happened by going an event. So I was just browsing on my phone. Yeah, my Google phone is broke, and I was like just scrolling, and then I've seen that there was an event to participate at a viewing of this development, and I was walking every day close to this property, close to Liverpool Street, and I've never noticed this building before, and I was trying to understand more about this building, so I decided to go and have a look and participate to the event. So I've joined, and I was able to go inside the penthouse, and I was like amazed by the view. Like literally, I entered the flat, and I was like, "Oh, really? Is this real?" The view was just amazing, and I'm going to present this to you, this flat. So stay tuned, stay until the end of the video as well, so I can show you some element that you can apply if you are looking to have a similar property and to own some properties as well, because whether you're an investor and you just want to have a property in London for yourself, this is something that I can help with. So I'm going to share my screen now with you in order to present to you the entire project. Okay, here we go. Share the screen. Here we go. I had access finally. So now I can show you the property that I was talking about. So I'm just going to secure and put client mode, so you don't see the confidential information. Okay. So now I'm gonna present the property itself. So we are right in the city of London, in the city center, and the property that I mentioned was this one. Let's have a look. So it's a 50-story skyscraper overlooking the heart of the city of London. It's just incredible because you can have panoramic view. You're right in a very busy area, but you are not busy from the sky level that you can live in. And so if you can have an idea, if you have like a view there from the entire city of London, you see, I'm sure you recognize this part of London. So it's like a business center. And then you right on Liverpool's tube station, and you see the entire city. And I can tell you that during the night time, it's just incredible. For people who like city views and who like to live in the higher level, that will be just amazing. So that's a sample, an example of a night view, and it's just incredible. You are literally above the sky. Look at this. Incredible. So This development has been finished and completed in 2015. And at this time, we still have new properties available. And this is the right time to start looking for it. And this is something that I can help with. So I want to show you a couple of floor plans that are still available. Are you ready? Let's start. So I'm going to present you something on the higher level so you can enjoy an extremely incredible view. And then I'm going to show you as well the live view that you can get for a higher plot in the second level of the tower. So you have 3 bedroom available, 2 bedroom, 3 as well, and prices start from 1,075,000 for a 1 bedroom. For a 2 bedroom, it's up around 1.5 million. Let's have a look of one on the upper level and to have an idea of the floor plan for a 2 bedroom. So you have an incredible terrace here, the kitchen area, which is close to the first terrace, and you have the living space, an ensuite with a bathroom, a second bedroom with an ensuite. You have an entire space there, which you can have like a lot of light coming into the bedroom. And then you have a second terrace close to the master bedroom. Okay. And then you have 3 terraces in total. The superficie of this apartment is 128 square meters, which is 1,382 square feet. So that was one of the apartments available here. If you have any questions regarding this development, or if you'd like to know more about this property, or if you'd like to explore the possibility on the market, this development is one of the best that I will recommend at this time, whether it's for an investment and to get cash flow from this property, or if it's for yourself in order to have an incredible lifestyle in the city of London. You have incredible amenities as well, like a spa, a gym, a business center inside as well, where you can meet your neighbors and the people from the tower. It's really very well connected. You are right in the heart of London. I wouldn't recommend another place if you enjoy high standard quality city views from the top of London. So I can't wait to work on your project with you, to meet you directly and to organize a viewing in this place, because it was one of the best experience that I've ever had in terms of beautiful city view in London. So speak to you soon. You can click below to have access to a link where you can book your property search selection meeting and start working toward this project if you are currently looking to become a property owner in London.